Tired of your client information living in chaos? Let's unlock the unexpected CRM potential of Basecamp in just 90 seconds, transforming it into your client management powerhouse. First, think of each client as a project. Click the plus sign and create a new project named after your client, for example, Acme Core Project. Within this project, utilize the Totos section to track all interactions. Create lists like initial contact, follow-up emails, and contract negotiation. Then, add specific tasks under each list like send introductory email to John and assign new dates. Next, the campfire section becomes your central communication hub. Log all phone calls, meeting notes, and important conversations directly within the chat. This keeps everything related to Acme Core in one easily accessible place. For document management, the Docs and Files area is crucial. Upload contracts, proposals, presentations, and any other relevant files. Organize them into folders for clarity, such as legal documents or marketing materials. The Schedule section can track important dates like deadlines and scheduled meetings. Set reminders so you don't miss a thing. Finally, use the Client Feedback section to add notes on clients and their communication styles. Consider using the Message Board section for that. And there you have it. Basecamp might not be a traditional CRM, but by leveraging its core features, you can create a surprisingly effective client management system, keeping your interactions organized, accessible, and ultimately, driving your sales process forward.